Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my SolidWorks course. In the previous session, we learned how to use the line tools. Today in session 2, we are going to explore another essential sketch feature: circle tools. Circles are used in almost every mechanical parts: holes, shafts, wheels, gears. So, understanding these tools is really important. Let's get started. First, open SolidWorks, create a new part here. So, we have a new part. Go to Sketch and then select a plane. Front plane, top plane, right plane, or another plane you prefer. We always select a plane because SolidWorks needs a 2D workspace before we create any geometry. You can find all circle tools in Sketch tab and Circle drop-down menu here. SolidWorks has two main types of circle. Circle with 2 points and perimeter circle with 3 points. Let's go through each one. Center circle. This is the most commonly used circle. How it works? Click once to define the center point. Here, move your mouse outward, then click to define a radius. This is ideal when you know the center location, like that. Center, moving mouse and click. Center, moving mouse and click. The next one, perimeter circle or 3-point circle. How it works? Click the first point on the perimeter circle. Perimeter circle, click the next point and click the last point or third point for make a circle. For example, you want a circle here. 1 point, 2 point and 3 point. If you have lines like that and you want a circle between these 3 lines, click here and here for make a circle. So easy. So this was this session, and in this session we cover all types of circle tools you will use in SolidWorks. In the next session we'll continue exploring more essential sketch features. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's continue building your SolidWorks skill together. Bye bye.